The high heat temperature sensor, often called the high heat plenum switch, monitors plenum temperature and directly controls whether the furnace blower runs or stops. This sensor sits in the warm air plenum above the heat exchanger and closes or opens a control circuit based on measured temperature. When the sensor detects normal temperatures, it allows the blower to stop when the thermostat calls for no fan. And when it detects sustained high temperature, it opens to force the blower to run continuously and clear excess heat. If the sensor fails open, the control circuit is broken, and the blower will often run nonstop because the system interprets the condition as needing continuous air movement. To test the switch, use a multimeter to check continuity across its terminals at room temperature and when heated slightly, and compare readings to the manufacturer specification for that model. When replacing, match the temperature rating and mounting style so the new sensor senses the same plenum location and avoids false trips. Also inspect for causes of high plenum temperature, such as blocked return filters, closed vents, or a failing limit switch that allow heat to build up and trigger the sensor. Common mistakes include assuming the blower motor itself is defective when it runs continuously. Check the high heat sensor wiring and continuity first, and replace the sensor if it is open. Another frequent issue is replacing the sensor without addressing airflow restrictions. Clean or replace the air filter and confirm vents and returns are open before declaring the new sensor fixed the problem. Finally, some technicians miss diagnosing intermittent trips that are caused by a marginally positioned or loosely mounted sensor. Ensure the sensor is properly seated in its mounting clip and that wiring connectors are tight to prevent false open signals. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for furnace and blower work and lets contractors connect with new jobs in our area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share troubleshooting tips, installation experiences, and product recommendations.